Welcome to our exploration of Legalshield Reviews 2025, Services, Pricing, Pros and Cons. First, let's dive into an introduction to what Legalshield is all about. Legalshield is a service that offers affordable legal coverage and advice, providing members with access to a network of lawyers for personal, business, and even emergency legal assistance. In 2025, with the fast-paced world of evolving laws and regulations, having such a service is more significant than ever. Legalshield aims to democratize legal access, breaking down barriers that typically accompany legal advice, such as high costs and complexity. The significance of reviewing Legalshield in 2025 lies in understanding how its services stack up in the modern landscape. This includes evaluating whether its pricing models remain cost-effective and if its offerings align with consumer needs and expectations. In the present era, where legal challenges can arise from cyber issues, business disputes, or personal matters like estate planning, having reliable legal support is crucial. To illustrate the real-world application of Legalshield, consider a small business owner facing a potential lawsuit from a disgruntled former employee. With Legalshield, the entrepreneur can quickly access legal advice to better navigate this challenge without incurring exorbitant fees. Another example is an individual who needs to update their will or manage an unexpected legal issue like a traffic violation. Through Legalshield, they can do all this with ease and without the stress of finding a lawyer themselves. Supporters of Legalshield often emphasize the peace of mind it provides, knowing that legal help is just a phone call away, without worrying about cost per consultation. Additionally, the variety of legal services covered under one umbrella is seen as a major advantage. However, potential challenges and controversies arise in the form of service limitations. Critics point out that while Legalshield provides access to legal consultation, it might not cover all legal fees, especially in complex cases that require litigation. Another viewpoint challenges the one-size-fits-all nature of such services, asserting that individual legal needs can be too specific for a standardized approach. Connecting this introduction to the broader aspects of our topic, understanding the foundation of Legalshield helps in assessing its pros and cons. It's essential to know what the service promises in order to effectively evaluate its pricing and the overall value it provides. As we delve deeper into our review, this foundational knowledge will enable us to weigh the benefits against the limitations, providing a comprehensive view of what Legalshield represents in 2025. Legalshield is a company that offers subscription-based legal services, granting members access to a network of attorneys for a monthly fee. The concept of Legalshield services revolves around democratizing legal assistance, making it more accessible and affordable for individuals and small businesses who might otherwise find legal representation too expensive or daunting. Legalshield achieves this through a range of services, including legal consultations, document reviews, and representation in court for certain matters. This is particularly significant in today's world, where legal challenges are increasingly complex and commonplace. Yet many individuals do not have the resources to hire a lawyer on retainer. The importance of understanding Legalshield services lies in its potential to change how people engage with legal help. For example, consider a small business owner facing a contractual dispute. By subscribing to Legalshield, they can quickly consult with an attorney to understand their rights and options without incurring significant legal fees up front. Another example is an individual dealing with identity theft issues. Legalshield provides assistance through its network of lawyers, offering guidance on how to proceed and what steps to take to mitigate damage. These real-world applications highlight Legalshield's role in providing peace of mind and practical support in situations where legal expertise is crucial. Supporters of Legalshield argue that it levels the playing field by offering affordable legal services, making it easier for ordinary people to tackle legal issues without financial burden. However, there are potential challenges and controversies surrounding the concept. Critics might point out that the quality of service can vary greatly depending on the region and the specific law firms contracted by Legalshield. There can also be limitations on the scope of services covered under the basic plans, leading to unexpected out-of-pocket expenses for more complex legal issues. Some may argue that while Legalshield makes legal services more accessible, it still requires users to navigate the complexities of their specific legal needs, which can be challenging without prior legal knowledge. This overview of Legalshield services connects to other aspects of the main topic, such as pricing and the evaluation of its pros and cons. Understanding the breadth and limitations of the services offered is crucial for assessing whether the pricing structure truly offers value for money. Moreover, it influences the discussion of the advantages and disadvantages of using such a service, as the effectiveness and satisfaction of users largely depend on the quality and applicability of the services they receive. By analyzing Legalshield's offerings, one can better determine its fit for various legal needs, setting the stage for a comprehensive review. The pricing structure of Legalshield plans plays a crucial role in understanding the overall value and accessibility of Legalshield's offerings. Legalshield provides a range of legal services for a monthly fee, making legal assistance more attainable for individuals and businesses who may otherwise find legal costs prohibitive. The significance of this pricing structure is integral to reviewing Legalshield services as it impacts customer satisfaction, affordability, and the perceived value of the legal protection offered. Legalshield's pricing plans are typically structured around different tiers, catering to varying needs such as personal, family, and business requirements. For example, the personal plan may offer essential services like will preparation, contract review, and legal consultation for a modest monthly fee. In contrast, the small business plan might provide more comprehensive support for businesses, covering topics like employee disputes and debt collection. These structured plans allow customers to select packages that are aligned with their specific needs and budgets, showcasing the flexibility and accessibility Legalshield offers. From a real-world perspective, consider an entrepreneur who faces frequent legal questions regarding contracts and intellectual property. Opting for a tailored Legalshield business plan grants them access to seasoned legal expertise without the prohibitively high costs of a traditional law firm retainer. Similarly, a family looking for affordable estate planning and legal advice for everyday issues can benefit from a personal plan, which provides peace of mind at a predictable price. Opinions supporting this structured approach highlight the democratization of legal services, making them more inclusive. Legal experts and satisfied customers alike often commend Legalshield for removing financial barriers that traditionally separate individuals from necessary legal support. However, some critics argue that the scope of services in lower-tier plans might be too limited, potentially leading to unexpected out-of-pocket costs for services not covered. Others suggest alternative viewpoints, questioning whether a subscription model can truly cater to the unpredictability of legal needs. Despite these challenges, the pricing structure interconnects with other aspects of Legalshield by underlining the company's commitment to accessibility and transparency. By setting clear expectations about what each plan offers, customers are better empowered to make informed decisions. This approach not only influences consumer trust, but also strengthens the broader market presence of Legalshield as a viable alternative to traditional legal service providers. Ultimately, understanding the pricing structure is essential for potential users evaluating the feasibility and benefits of joining Legalshield, forming a cornerstone of any comprehensive review in 2025. Legalshield is a service that provides affordable legal assistance by offering a subscription-based model for individuals and families. The concept of pros of using Legalshield highlights the positive aspects and benefits of utilizing this service, which is essential for understanding its appeal and value. One of the most significant advantages of using Legalshield is the cost savings. Legal services are notoriously expensive, with high hourly fees that can quickly accumulate. Legalshield provides access to a network of lawyers for a flat monthly fee, making it a cost-effective solution for people who might otherwise forego legal assistance due to cost concerns. The importance of this point is clear. It democratizes access to legal services and ensures that legal support is not just a luxury for the wealthy. Example 1 of Legalshield's pros is its accessibility. Legalshield offers 24/7 access to legal advice in emergency situations. This means that regardless of the time or day, if a member faces a legal issue or has urgent questions, they can get advice from a qualified attorney immediately. This feature is invaluable for individuals who might find themselves in unexpected legal predicaments, offering peace of mind and immediate support. Another real-world application is for small business owners who require regular legal consultations. Legalshield provides specific plans tailored to the needs of small businesses, granting them access to legal advice without the burden of hiring an in-house attorney or paying for expensive one-off consultations. This support can help small businesses navigate contracts, intellectual property issues, and other legal matters efficiently and affordably. Opinions supporting the pros of Legalshield often emphasize the predictability of legal costs and the breadth of services covered under their plans, which can include document review, legal consultations, and even trial defense services. However, potential challenges and controversies exist. Critics argue that the service may not cover all legal needs, particularly complex cases that require specialized expertise. Some users might find that attorneys are not available immediately due to high demand. The pros of using Legalshield connect directly to the other aspects of the main topic, such as pricing and cons, by providing a balanced perspective. Understanding the benefits allows for a more nuanced evaluation of whether Legalshield's pricing structure offers real value and how its limitations might impact users' experiences. By considering both the positive aspects and the potential downsides, viewers can make an informed decision about whether Legalshield services align with their legal needs and financial circumstances.